Don't you feel a wally when you ask a customer, you know, can I put the bag in?
How are we for toilet rolls? As we've all been snotting and blowing. We're all right. So where are we heading?
Right to the fuel pontoon.
Yay! Top us up the fuel and then we can make our way.
How you doing over there?
Yeah, we're all right actually. A little bit windy, 16 to 18 knots wind, so got about 6 to 7 knots wind. Quite well, very swelly, very good.
Well, this is my first watch on my own, and it's about 2:30 in the morning. Not many people are very well at the moment. We're all still suffering from this flu. We're getting over it though. I had seasick for a couple of days. I'm alright now. Dee's a lot better now, so she's down below. She's on watch next. So I'm on watch between 2 and 4. Dee's on between 4 and 6. Seen a lot of boats tonight. There's quite a few ships out there. Got the IAS on, so we're okay with that. So this is me signing out.
1 day, 22 hours. And I'm trying to catch the speed at 8.1, which it was just now, and it's just dropped. Honest, we did. So how are you doing? First food in how long?
2 days, is it?
So we're achieving between 5.5, 7.5 knots speed. Wind's about 15 knots. And we've just got the Genoa out, and it's doing brilliantly actually, which is quite a surprise.
Counting my bits and pieces.
How are we doing for fuel?
Fuel, we're okay.
Good,
Yeah.
good. We've actually got sails out at the moment, and we're doing about 7.5 knots at best, so that's really good.
Used to.
So,
Put in a preventer on
onto what?
the main.
Main's
Hang
not-
on! It's all wrapped up, not the wrong way around.
What a gorgeous evening. It's about 5 o'clock. We're on, what day of the week are we on? We're on Friday today, and I think it's the 11th. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. We've got another 3 days to go to get to Las Palmas, but we might stop in Tenerife on the way, depending on fuel. So far, it's been quite uncomfortable for the last day or so. The swell has been huge. We've struggled a bit illness-wise still, because Lorraine and Kevin, they've still struggled. Lee's just recovering. But it's been quite hard work actually, and we've struggled a little bit teamwork-wise with the shifts and things. But I think last night was better. We managed to get a couple of us out at a time here to do the shifts, and they were great actually. It was fine. It was a nice calm evening. No stresses and strains. Quite a few ships went by, which was good. Good to see for me, because I've never really seen it on AIS. So that was quite interesting. And we seem to have gelled a little bit better because everybody's feeling better today, and we've managed to eat a bit more, managed to all have breakfast and lunch, and Lee's just doing his bit of tea now, so we're having some tuna and pasta, and it's just a gorgeous evening.
So you're looking a bit perturbed there. What's happened?
How the do you think I feel?
It's only a bit of a bug.
We've all had it.
Oh, it's gone.
It wasn't that bad then. Yeah, we've just filled up the tanks with some canisters that Larry's had for about 3.5 years, I think. No, I think he's had them for a few months. And each one of them's got a bit of a bug in it. And luckily I think we've kept it out of the tanks, but obviously it's gone into, a little bit's gone into the filter. That's the one, look. Oh, that's familiar.
So they bought a really expensive fishing rod in Omeria, and yeah, we're a couple of days out and it's knackered already. It's just falling apart, so they're trying to do a man job of putting it together again.
So the main sheet's frayed, is it?
This is where it goes through the runners.
Repairs at sea.
Right. Needs replacing, I think. Yep.
Job done?
Hold on. Keep it though.
Oh, they're amazing. Aren't they fabulous? There's another batch there, yeah. These are almost sparkly, those. Oh wow. That's amazing.
First squall of the trip. Not a big one, but it was kind of expected. We saw it coming. What we're eating, an omelette.
It's like a pizza omelette on a D's speciality, and apparently designed by yourself.
Done by my dear wife, with no help from me whatsoever. I have to say, or she'll be shocked. So we're heeling over nicely. We've got 13 knots of wind. We've got 7 knots speed over ground. We're doing good. We might be there by tomorrow now, if this keeps up.
So it's Sunday morning. Winds have been great over the last, what, 18 hours, something like that. We've had sails out since about 4:30 yesterday, so that's been brilliant. Unfortunately, the sea is really rolly, which has made it quite uncomfortable. But the winds have been brilliant overnight, generally sitting between about 14. It dipped a little bit on my watch down to about 10, and I thought, oh no, here we go. But it's come back up again, and it seems to be about 16, 17, which is great. And we're doing how much? About
6 and 7 knots.
Between 6 and 7 knots, which is great.
See, look, it's just gone down to low speed.
I know, it's gone down to 5.9.
are you doing sat on the front of the boat?
I am doing my nails, put some nail varnish on, make myself feel better.
Did you bring a key?
I remember the money, I remember the wash powder, I remember the washing. I didn't remember the key. I guess we forgot the key. So we walked over to the laundry, and the laundry is €4 for a wash and €4 for a dry. So we've just brought our first lot of laundry.
I'm assuming they're not expecting to jump in.
So we've all made it out for lunch for the first time, which is good. I think we're all getting a bit better gradually. You are one chunky cat. Hello. Oh, they're very good here. They leave biscuits out and all sorts. Hello. Oh, somebody's just asked me a question. I've got to answer it.
Well, yes, but it is 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I know. Well, somebody was awake still.
It is our day of leaving.
It's a bit of a cloudy day today. Expecting a bit of rain later. Might not be too much, but we are heading off possibly this afternoon. Catching up with video. Catching up with the blog. While we've got a spare 5 minutes without a gale force wind blowing us around. And we're off again tonight apparently about between 4 and 6 o'clock.
So what are we actually doing then, Laurie?
Well, I'm just doing I'm just going to change things up on top to make it a little bit more better for poling out.
What are you doing?
The sheets are all chafing, and of course we're going to put the pole out. Larry's going to change these when we get to Las Palmas.
Right.
Until then we've got to use them, so to stop the chafing, just putting a few different blocks on to try and reroute it a little bit, just to make sure that we don't get it.
Because he tried to get some ropes here, didn't they? And what happened there?
Well, the girl in the Chandlers was kind of helpful, but she didn't speak much English. And
shame on her.
yeah, shame on her. So, we don't speak a lot of Spanish. She didn't have a lot of technical knowledge. So all in all, it wasn't worth actually.
Yeah, so we didn't manage to get the ropes. So that's the plan when we get to Las Palmas, is to get some more ropes and another fishing rod. So we've had lots of chafing, hence the tapes and extra bits.
Well, there's a rubber tube under there now to stop it from.
Yeah.
I mean, we're hoping that it's.
So what was chafing against that? The sheet?
Yeah, if you look at the sheet, it's terrible chafing on it.
Wow, yeah.
It's on the thread of those.